How would you like to make $150 every single time someone downloads something you created online? Just think about how much money that would make you. Maybe not just $150, maybe $200. Here's the thing, you set the price. So I'm going to show you how right now. Stay tuned.
Income disclaimer. There are no guarantees concerning the level of business or financial success you may experience in the strategy mentioned in this video. There is no guarantee that you will make any income at all, and you, the viewer, accept the risk that the earnings and income levels differ by individuals using this strategy. Anything mentioned in this video about sales, income, or money is, for example, and entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised, and if one should undertake this strategy, do not expect immediate results. This does require you to work and keep working. Again, results will vary. Doing this method, you may make lots of money or nothing at all. If your results are zero, you agree that you will hold YouTube, myself, and this channel harmless because you assume the role of the business owner once you start this method. If you don't agree to these terms, simply turn off this video and do not engage in this strategy and have a nice day. If you agree to these terms, then by all means, keep this rolling. And remember to do the work. Okay, let's get on to how this works.
But before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon down below so you can get push notifications when I put up a new video, and please like, share, and comment. We would appreciate that because it helps the algorithm. So I'm going to teach you how you can create something online, and when someone downloads it, you will make money. The cool thing is that it's all set up for you and it's entirely free. I'm going to show you step by step, so please follow along and do not skip ahead in this video. It is crucial that you follow these steps. All right, so the first site we are going to look at is a little bit of a different site where people will come to this site looking to purchase or get some logos, and they will come over here and they will basically run a contest with the designers that are signed up with Logo My Way. And the winner will make anywhere from maybe 150 or 200 bucks all the way up. So it's a very ingenious way of making some money online as well as purchasing a logo. So basically, the person comes on here and chooses from 70 to 600 or more custom logo designs from professional and creative logo designers from all over the world. There are over 40,000 hand-picked logo designers from all over the world who are waiting to create your new logo. And you could start a logo contest for as little as 200 bucks, and the person will get some prize money, and it can range anywhere from like I said, 200 bucks or maybe 150 bucks, depending, all the way up and more. And then you receive a dedicated design specialist, who hopefully will be you. You get a free contract giving you 100% full legal ownership of the logo design. So once you put the logo up there, it's no longer yours. So that's the only drawback as a logo designer. We go over to logo designs, and you can see all the different types of designs that are out there, just to give you some inspiration. And here's some of the designers, and this works worldwide as well. So Romania, Philippines, US, Indonesia, Kuwait, Spain, Slovakia, and more. All right, and it'll also give them, let's give you a little bit of an idea. Let's use $200. Okay, so this guy has in the United States 230 wins. Now let's just use $200 for that. So let's pick up the old handy dandy calculator. 230, and we said 200 times. That's pretty good for a year's worth of work, $46,000. And what's really cool about this is that you don't have to work. And this is just one out of many different sites I'm going to show you. All right, so I'm going to show you the next site right here. Okay, so Latium is a place where you will sign up as a freelancer. And I suggest signing up with all these sites. Okay, kind of like my last video where I talked about people per hour for article generation. This will be for logo design. All right, so if you don't like writing articles but you're like graphics, then try this. So let's learn about Latium. All right, so basically people come on here looking for help and they want to hire a freelancer to make something really quick. So this is a perfect place to do that. So as a freelancer, you want to come over here to become a freelancer. All right. And then you start selling your gigs on Latium. And so you hit start selling today and join up. So basically, you post your gig, you sign up for free, create your listing, and offer your service to employers worldwide. Sell your gig. They'll notify you when a package sells and then discuss the details with the employer and deliver your amazing work. What's cool about these sites, guys, is that they do all the marketing for you. All right. You just make a really impactful type of gig and your listing and make sure that there's a lot of splash on that. Make sure that there's some sort of wow factor with your background. So you want to put that in there. And then get paid. And you can earn in dollars or crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. And it's entirely up to you. So work when you want. So here's a bunch of people who are using it. Okay. And you can start earning today. All you have to do is just hit join, fill out the information, and that's that. So how much money can you earn? You can earn as much as you want. You can build a full-time income as well. So the very best thing that you could do before you sign up is actually go see what these other people are doing. So, Walter Turner, I will design attractive logos for you. And, the starting out at $921.61. I would, if I were you, make it a lot easier for people to buy, like somewhere around, I don't know, $10 to start, and then move it on up from there. All right, so let's check out this. So we want to go over to graphics and design, logo design. So here's an idea. See, some of them are $7, some are $10, some are $25, and I only have 5 stars, which is good. This person from Venezuela has 43 comments, I do believe, or has 2 reviews rather. I'm sorry. How much stuff is going on? Now, you're probably looking at this and going, well, Bob, there's not a lot of freelancers on here. You know why? Because Latium, it's not like Fiverr. So, you go to Fiverr and it's just jam-packed full of different types of gigs. Here's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 gigs going on here. So the competition is low. All right. So as you can see, there's some from $25, $10, $7, $25, and $100. So let's say let's start off at 10, right? And let's say you get 50 reviews, right, on here, or 50 sales, as it were. And you want people, when you do these gigs, guys, it's very important that you ask people for a review. It's very important, and make sure that those reviews are good reviews, not just like 3 or 4 words saying this was good or something like that. No, make sure that the reviews are legit and descriptive. So 2 or 3 sentences is fine. So this is one out of many places that you can go. So the next place that you can sign up and sell your gig is called DesignCrowd.com. Again, it's DesignCrowd.com. And this is probably the best place to sell your gig, okay? So Logo My Way, that's a contest. Latium, kind of new, or I should say newer. Not a very low competition, but it's not the site itself is not very well known. DesignCrowd is better, and probably the best, I would think, for design. I've used this actually before, and I designed a T-shirt. And it was very simple to do, very simple. So you come over here and you register with them, and basically it's the same type of situation as Latium. Again, it's a freelance website, and they have many different designs. So it's not just logo design, but business card design, web design, flyer design, graphic design, and T-shirt design. All right, so let's go over to logo design just so you can see what's out there. All right. So, of course, they have a squeeze page or an email capture page. We're going to bypass that right now. But for instance, you can come over here and get inspired, right? So there's lots of different designers on here, but you can go in and just check this out. I would suggest that you do that. So let's just go over and try this again. Yep. It does have a logo maker on here, and this is called brandcrowd.com. This is where you will make your logo. All right. And you can go down here and generate logo designs. So here's all the different types of logo designs that you can make, right? And then go back to the other DesignCrowd and Latium.com, Logo My Way, and maybe even peopleperhour.com, and go ahead and post your gig there. So it's very simple to do. Let's choose one. Let's kind of go through this. So I mean, they got lots of different things here. I like the one with the dragon. Let's go ahead and do Red Dragon Gaming. So let's do edit. Okay, so they have different variations. Let's use this one. So when you do a gig, it's very important that you also ask, all right, what do you want on the logo? Do you have what's the business name? Do you have anything that needs to be on the logo? And things like that. Like what type of icons do you want on the logo? And then you get that information back. You come over to brandcrowd.com and you design it here. All right? You design it here. So let's just, for an example, let's just type in, let's see here. I was just at the hardware store. So let's go ahead and type that in. All right. I live out in the country, so hardware stores and feed stores are basically all in one. And this is not the name of the place that I went, but you can see how it looks. If you want to move that down, you can. You can move it around. And then you hit save progress and download. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that right now, but that kind of gives you an idea, right? You can change the background to whatever color you want. You can even change the logo or manipulate it, make it small, large, whatever. You can put in boxes, stars, whatever. And you can manipulate the size. You can move this down a little bit bigger. and just have fun, and make money. And what's cool about DesignCrowd.com is that it's free, it's available worldwide, and you get paid for doing this. Okay? So I hope you got some great information about how to make some logos and make some money. And if you did, please smash that like button down below. Please also subscribe, like, and comment, and share this video with everybody you know. And make it a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. Hit the share buttons down below. Leave a nice comment down there and say hi. Tell us where you're from. Last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by clicking that little bell icon so you know when we put up a new video, like that. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye, guys.